At this part, we're going to introduce the WLAN technology development trend. From this figure, we can see we have a range of WLAN standards. For example, 802.11b, .11a, .11g, and .11n, .11ac, and maybe now we have 802.11ax. With the development of these standards, there is a trend from simple access and low bandwidth to high bandwidth, wide coverage, and intelligence. So with the development of these technologies or of these standards, let's see some related organizations. First is IEEE, the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, has released 802.11 standard family since 1997. And next is a Wi-Fi Alliance. Wi-Fi Alliance is an international non-profit organization that certifies the interoperability of IEEE 802.11 products, promotes the creation of new standards. It provides WPA in 802.11i, which focuses on the security, and the WMM in 802.11e, which focuses on the queues of the WLAN. Next is the IEEE, the Internet Engineering Task Force. I think you are very familiar with it because a lot of famous protocols are designed by IETF, for example, OSPF, right? Okay. Next is a CAPWAP, the control and provisioning of wireless access points. It's an IETF work group related to the standard control and management of ACs and feed APs. In the following course, we're going to introduce that between the AC and feed APs, they're gonna establish a CAPWAP terminal. The last is a WAPI audience. It formulates and promotes the security mechanism standards. For example, WAI, WPI, right? I think you have heard it before. After introducing these organizations, next let's see the Wi-Fi audience. This is a business organization owns the trademark of Wi-Fi, headquartered in Austin, Texas, United States, and is responsible for the Wi-Fi certification and trademark authorization. It's founded in 1999. The Wi-Fi audience promotes Wi-Fi product capability certification and develops 802.11 technologies. It has more than 200 members, and 42 of them come from the Asia Pacific region. After this part, let's see the technology, Wi-Fi technology. This is a family of wireless networking technologies that can be used to connect no matter your mobile phones, your personal computers to the network, to the internet. Wi-Fi can be simply regarded as a wireless network. Almost all the terminals nowadays we're using support Wi-Fi, and it is the most widely used wireless network transmission technology. And with time passing by, Wi-Fi have many generations from Wi-Fi 1 to Wi-Fi 6, and actually Wi-Fi 7 is also on the way. Among all these generations, let's see the difference between them. Firstly, about the bandwidth, of course, the bandwidth is increased to 160, and the frequency we are using is 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. The maximum rate has been increased to 9.6 Gbps. And to support such high rates, we have spatial streams. For example, Wi-Fi 6 support 8 spatial streams, and Wi-Fi 5 support 4 spatial streams. And last is about the underlying technologies. The generation of Wi-Fi is developing with the developing of standards. And the latest version, Wi-Fi 6, is using IEEE 802.11ax. Okay, this is about the development trend of WLAN technologies. And about this part, let's see a question. Which is the maximum rate of Wi-Fi 6? A. 150 megabps. B. 3.5 Gbps. C. 9.6 Gbps. I think it's obvious, right? From the list we have just seen, the number should be 9.6. So we choose C. Okay, that's all for this part. Thank you.